This video is part of the IOD Debi Beard Inlay collaboration release party. If you want to see other videos from this playlist, please click the link in the description below. An idea popped into our heads when we purchased this piece for the project. We thought we would take the bottom part and create a vase to showcase a lush arrangement of cascading flowers everywhere, loads of color. There's so many colorful options inside this inlay package. A base coat of crinoline to start. Let's get this paint party started. We are going to add some putty to open up the top design. We're going to let that dry, and we're going to start working together as a team to place the images on the top first and then work our way down. We used liquid patina to adhere to our inlays. We applied it to the painted part of the inlay first, pressed it into the dresser, then we used a damp cloth, not too wet but wet enough to get the paint to adhere. We did use a brayer on this project to ensure that the inlay was pressed down. We waited about an hour and started peeling away. This surely was a puzzle that took some time to put together. It got comical to say the least. We wanted to add some depth and texture, so we decided to create molds, and lots of them, to complete the look. We really wanted to give it a folk art style with a bohemian twist. Charlie is relieved we are finished and our late night parties will come to an end just for now. Time to look for some new knobs to jazz it up, so we headed out and found some hardware that will work perfect with the colors in the inlay. Mama created some funky hanging pieces with the remaining inlays for our staging debut. We are super excited how it turned out, and we really enjoyed working with the IOD inlay along with Debi's design. Products used are listed in the description below. It's debut time.